Hi, welcome to mycutetoons. Today we're going to draw Robin from Teen Titans. Grab your marker and follow along with me. We're going to start off with Robin's mask. So on top, we're going to make a butterfly shape. You're going to bring it round to the bottom. We're going to take it all the way around. Now inside the mask, we're going to draw his eyes. We're going to do the top of the eyes first, then we're going to make it nice and round at the bottom. Let's fill the mask in. Now right below, we're going to draw his little button nose. And then right below the nose, we're going to draw a smile off to the side and with a cheek. Now let's draw Robin's chin. We're going to start at the mask and we're going to go down. And we're going to do the same on the other side. Start at the mask, going down, connect it. And now we're going to go to the top. And at the top, we're going to draw his hair. Connect it back to the mask on top. And now we're going to do the top of his hair. And I'm going to start and I'm here, and I'm just going to bring a line up. And I'll just follow this through all the way around. And you're going to connect it back to the mask. Now on both sides, we're going to draw Robin's ears. And we'll do the same on the other side as well. And now we can go down to his body. First, we're going to draw the neck. We're just going to draw two short lines going out. And now we're going to connect these lines. With a downwards curve, we're going to go up, over, and we're going to do the same on the other side. And connect them. Next up, I want to draw the belt buckle. And I'm going to start here and I'm going to draw a belt buckle. And then an inner circle as well. And now that I've done that, I'm going to draw the top of the belt with a little step. And on this side, we're going to do the same thing with a little step. And now we're going to draw the torso. And we're going to start on the side. And we're going to draw his torso out. And now we're going to draw the rest of the belt. We're going to draw it with a step. And on this side, we're going to do the same thing. Right. And then on top, we're going to draw an R on Robin's chest. With a circle around, and we're going to fill the circle in. And now we're going to draw rectangles, and we're just going to draw 3 rectangles, one a little smaller than the previous one. And now we're going to go down to his lower body. We're going to draw a skew line. And then we're going to start drawing the legs. So I'm going to draw their legs out, and then on the outside I'm going to do the same thing. And now that I have that, we're going to draw the calves. We're going to draw the outside of the calves. And then we'll draw the boot. Now let's continue with the feet. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to draw a straight line down and I'm going to connect it back with a curve. And we're going to do the same on this side as well. And now that we have that, we're going to continue with this line. And you're going to draw an oval. And on this side, we're going to continue with the line. And we're making an oval. And then we do the side of the boot. You bring it down, connect it. Let's do the same on this side as well. Now we're going to do the heel area as well. And we're going to draw a box for the heel. And just make a line down and a line down. Great. And now let's go back to Robin's arms. Now on the side, we're going to connect this torso to the shoulders. And we're going to do the top arm first. We're going to do the same on this side. And now we're going to do the glove. First thing I'm going to do, I'm going to draw a thumb with a hook. And we're going to draw 3 fingers. Take it back, connect it, and bring it back. And then there's a sleeve. And let's do the same on this side as well. So we're going to draw the thumb, hook, And there we go. And now on the side, we're going to draw his little cloak. And there we go, and there's Robin. And I'm sure your picture will turn out great. Thank you for drawing with me. Please don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you soon. Bye bye.